Today we're reviewing this soccer goal that was sent to us for review. Now this goal is really cool because it just comes with some pipes that fit together just like a tent post. So the installation or the setup's super easy because it's just like doing a pop-up tent. You just fit them through and then fit it through this. The net's all ready to go and it has everything you need. Now you can stake it in, but we found that with our younger kids, we didn't even need to stake it in because they'd score a goal and then we could go retrieve it and then it was easy to move. But you might want to make it a little bit more permanent. It's cool because it's got the orange, it's easy to see, and then with the yellow netting, it's really light and easy to move if you need to adjust it, which is really great. And then it breaks down into a really small area and you can just stick it back in the bag, and so it's easy to store when you're not using it. We're getting ready for the winter, so it's nice that we can play while we have a few more nice days, but then we can take it down really easily and have it for the spring when things open up again. So really, really cool soccer net. Check it out.